So very good morning. So this today we can go for dissection of an eye. So first let's have a general in the way about no general knowledge, and this is the first thing that the back, this is called as optic nerve, right? And this optic nerve is the part of the eye which is very important, so to carry the signals from the retina to the brain, right? And if this optic nerve will be get degenerated, so there will be no signal transmission from retina to the back. So let's come in the front first of all. So this transparent portion which is called as the cornea, so which is the anterior part of the eye, so which is very important, that's transparent and maintaining the refractive power of eye, right? So after that, so this is this whitish portion, so this is called as a sclera, right? And this sclera, so beneath the sclera, so there is this black spot you are looking, that's called a choroid, which has got the blood vessels, right? And this is meant for the circulation. After that, so let's, before we dissection, so this is inside, so we can talk about now behind the cornea. So there is also an iris, right? In between the iris, so in the center there is a pupil which is maintaining for regulation of the light entering into the light, right? So let's, before we talk about now dissection, so we can perform here. In the dissection, we can cut into the two equal parts, that's front part and the back part, right? So front part will be the cornea, right? And back part will be the optic nerve and the retina, right? So when we dissect this eye, so there will be some liquid which will be gush out from this, and that will be the aqueous humor, right? So let's have, yes, we dissect it. So this one, we dissect this eye, and here is the fluid, right? So this is the fluid like, and this is called as the two things, two fluids will become. So one will be this, like as you go to this is in water like structure, right? And this water fluid is called as aqueous humor, so which is maintaining for the intraocular pressure of the eye. So if this aqueous humor will come out of the eyeball, so there will be no maintaining of intraocular pressure, so there will be no stability, no rigidity in the eyeball, right? So except this fluid, there is another which is a very jelly like structure, and this jelly like structure is called as a vitreous humor. The two fluids which are present inside the eyeball, one is the water fluid which is totally not thick as much as this vitreous humor is, right? And this is also the maintaining for the rigidity of eyeball, this is also maintaining for the rigidity of the eyeball. So the two fluids which are total inside the eyeball. So we dissect this eye, this is the vitreous humor which is coming out, and this structure which is the innermost layer of the eyeball, which is known as the retina. So that's the retina which is maintained. So in the retina, so there are so many cells which are present inside the retina, that's rods and cones, which are the photoreceptor cells, and these photoreceptor cells are maintaining what? For the peripheral vision, night vision, and that of the day vision. So the two types of the cones we can find out, two types of cells, it's rod and cones. The rod cells is meant for the night vision, so the cone cells will help us in maintaining the day vision, right? So after this, yes, so there is also the one more important thing that we can find out. So there is also something, a colored like portion inside the retina. So if we can dissect the human eye, there will not be just like a colored portion. So this colored portion in the other animals are present, that's called tapetum lucidum. And do you know what's this? Tapetum lucidum is maintaining basically when we can see the animal at the night, so we can find out the lights, the eyes are shining. So if we can see, for example, dog and cat, so we can find out at the night, so their eyes are shining. It's because of the tapetum lucidum, right? And this tapetum lucidum is not present in our human eyes, so we cannot, our eyes will not be shine at the night. So this is all about this back. Now let's come the centra, and this one. This is the marble shepherd. This is a marble shepherd. This is very thick, and the lens which is maintaining for the image. So this is lens which is very important, called as transparent, right? So it's looking the marble shape, which is very diamond like structure, right? And this is called as lens. Now let's come this. So this blackish portion inside, which is known as the choroid, which I said earlier. So after that, so there, this one at the center, this is called as the iris. In the center of the iris, so there's a pupil which is maintaining for the regulation of the light. So this was all about now the dissection of our eye. And this is the back one, which is, I said, that is an optic nerve which carrying the transmit signals from the retina to the brain, right? And this was all about now dissection of the eyes. Thank you.